This is Frankie McDonald, my own TV station, live from Sydney, Nova Scotia. Massive snowstorm is headed towards Toronto, Ontario on Friday, March 3rd, 2023. It's going to bring up to 30 plus centimeters of snow in Toronto, Ontario and surrounding areas. It's going to bring a lot of snow. Winds are going to be very strong. It's going to cause blowing and drifting snow, especially on Friday evening. And a major snowstorm will take place on Friday evening in Toronto, Ontario. It's also going to affect Oshawa, Ontario, Newcastle, Ontario, Markham, Ontario, Vaughan, Ontario, Richmond Hill, Aurora, Newmarket, Barrie. It's also going to hit Brampton, Ontario, Mississauga, Oakville, Burlington, Hamilton, St. Catharines, Niagara Falls, and even Buffalo, New York. It's going to bring really dangerous and treacherous driving conditions. It's going to bring blown snow, drifted snow, really dangerous driving conditions, and streets, roads, highways, and freeways will be snow covered in Toronto, Ontario, and the surrounding areas as well. It's going to bring a lot of snow. Winds are going to be very strong. It's going to cause snow drifts, blowing snow, drifting snow as well. People in Toronto, Ontario, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready. Have your winter jackets ready. Have your hats ready. Have your gloves ready. Have your scarves ready. Have your ski passes ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy a case of Pepsi. Buy a case of Coke. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Make sure if your smartphones, cell phones, laptops, tablets, and Samsung Galaxy charge. Have your 3G, 4G, 5G, and LTE ready as well. When you drive a car, take your time driving car. Slow down so you don't get in a car accident. So we go for a walk. Be very good walking so you don't fall. Make sure if your furnaces and heat pumps ready and turn on your furnaces and heat pumps to keep those warm. Drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea. Drink lots of green tea, keep you warm. Have your extra blankets ready, keep you warm. So make sure if your shovels, snow scoops, snowboards, snow plows, and salt trucks ready as well. If you have anybody live in Toronto, Ontario, be prepared for a major snowstorm on Friday, March 3rd, 2023 during the evening hours. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a massive snowstorm. Stay warm and be safe.